Good morning. What are you doing? What are all those? Did you well, hi, little ballerina. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Is Mommy copying you? Where's Poppy? Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Poppy.
Morning.
Hi.
What are you
Ready
doing?
for school? School? Guess what? We go to Mexico tomorrow.
Mexico.
Celebrate Poppy turning 40. Yay! Say Mexico. Hi.
You go to school? You gonna go to school?
Hi.
See your teacher?
See Elizabeth?
Elizabeth?
Elizabeth.
Yes.
Cheese. Cheese.
Wow.
Hey, we leave for Mexico tomorrow.
Can you say Mexico? Let's go.
Yes. Love you.
Love you.